Honda. This is work racing in the left-hand lane. Versus Polo, King Polo in the right-hand. In the left-hand lane, and that is expiring in the left-hand lane. Right-hand lane of fuel, the 480 turbo charge. So we have that in the right-hand lane. Right-hand lane across the line, 13.5. Wow, nicely done for both of them. 13.7 for the left. 13.5 for the right-hand lane, 13.7 for the left, and B-Tech in the right-hand lane now. Well, okay? I also may have done that once or twice. Don't 7R in the left-hand lane there. You can have something to say about that launch from that B-Tech in the Here's the B-Tech. He keeps the lead for a little bit, but the Gold is pulling up alongside as they make their way down the slope. Oh, up against the wall, very close to the wall. There's the right-hand lane. Left-hand lane gets the window with a 12.5, but the right-hand lane with a 12.996. 12.996 for the B-Tech. 12.996 in sub 13 seconds. CPR performance, Batman. In the right-hand lane, 480 turbocharged apparently, according to my docs here, Wellington versus Yassini. Here we go. That was a Golf 7R low from Golf GTI, and that's going to be a very impressive time for the left-hand lane. 12.3 for the left-hand lane for Golf GTI. What's up? Then it's time. Then it's time. When Zurich Senior's on the line, it is time for Zurich to bring out the blue team. So Zurich racing Honda on the performance lead in the left-hand lane, up right-hand lane. Right, here we go. Not too bad. They crossed the line there with 12.7. 12.7 there for the right-hand lane, 12.7 and a 13.3. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the Zurich Racing Honda in the right-hand lane. This is the record holder here, ladies and gentlemen. And this is what you've come to see, one of the fastest cars here at Killarney, the fastest front-wheel drive car here at the moment, the fastest NA front-wheel drive car here at the moment. And let's see how the Sean Zurich Honda EG does the deed. Actually, say people do a shakedown run. Russell Wilson, that's Russell Wilson, and it backs up the run, completely backs up. But, right, Farhan Joseph now in the right-hand lane, Alan Jacobs in the left. Quick on the left-hand lane of Alan Jacobs. 10.4 recorded. 10.9, he does a 10.9 there with a 7R. 4 for the right, maybe Josh now with the S1000 on. First time out to the bike. No 340 today. No, maybe for the bottle killer. Bike is very big across the line, 10.0 there for Jamie Josh, 0 there for Jamie Josh in the right hand lane, and 12.3 there. Numbers in the left hand lane, is not suited and booted today. No time there for the right hand lane, no time, or the issue there in the right. Across the line, 9.3. Across the line, time is 9.0, and that is the one of the time already. As it's processed today. In the left hand lane, can you believe it, ladies and gentlemen? See that foul is only in the left hand lane, slowly up. Here we go, here we go. Most cars are 36 cars. Oh no, left hand lane, Pop from the left hand lane, pop from the right. Coast in the lead. Right hand lane's going to take this one. Can't believe it. Across the line goes the future cars. Goal. Yeah, and the future goal. Oh my goodness. No. Sean Sturridge now finally warmed up points, ready to go. First of the day, second run of the day for him. Just getting out the base there. But the first solid run they say. And the previous run was not ideal. Here we go. Of the sixth run of the day, proper one. And let's see what he does. 9.8. 9.8 already. Across the line there, comes through in the right. And thirsty now. Shots fired from the low 8 valve in the right hand lane. Close on the picture, here we go. Well, under the block, but then he popped. But when he goes, popping and banging, and he crossed the line 12.9, 12.